Philip Solka, IB Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 8, Section 3, number 14, which reads, how many solutions are there to the system of equations above? And you've got your equations up there. Notice when you do the system, you're going to wind up, it's going to wind up with the higher exponent, with the x squared. So in other words, we're going to wind up in this form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. What does that look like? Well, it's a parabola. And if the a is positive, it's going to open up. And if it does not touch the x-axis, then it's no solutions. If it touches the x-axis, there's one solution. If it goes through the x-axis, then there's two solutions. So in other words, there's no possibility of there being four solutions here. So we could eliminate that immediately, and if that's all you know how to do, then boom, it's better to guess between three answer choices than to guess between four. Now, where do we go from here? So for a system of equations, there's two ways to solve it. One is you could eliminate, another one is you could substitute. So here, what we've got, if we've got y isolated over here, so in place of this y over here, we could just put x squared plus 3x minus 7. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. X squared plus 3x minus 7. And then I copy the rest. Minus 5x plus 8 equals 0. And x squared stays. You cannot combine that with anything. 3x minus 5x is going to give you negative 2x. And then you've got negative 7 plus 8. It's going to be plus 1 equals 0. Now, ordinarily, you would do your b squared minus 4ac here, but it's probably just easier to factor it. If you could see here, we need two numbers that multiply to give you 1 and add to give you a negative 2, and it's just going to be x minus 1 times x minus 1. Notice if I FOILed that, I'd get x squared minus 2x plus 1. So if we set these equal to 0 individually, you get x minus 1 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. And if you add 1 to both sides, you get x equals 1. So your correct answer is exactly one solution. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with this type of question. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.